How to log out Instagram account on mobile device. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log out Instagram account on mobile, whether you're using it on Android or iOS. So, let's get started. The first step is open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have logged into your account. Then, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, select and tap on settings and privacy. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page. Instagram often puts the logout option at the end of the list. There it is. Tap on logout. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Press logout again and you're done. And that's how you log out of your Instagram account on your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need more Instagram tips, drop them in the comments below.